Ever wondered how to streamline your property management? Start by visiting the Property360 homepage. Click Sign Up to begin your journey towards efficient property management. In this video, I will show you how to create your account for Property360, property management and trust accounting software. To get started, navigate to the platform's homepage. From there, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You will now be taken to the registration page. Choose the state in which you are operating. This ensures the system is configured correctly according to your local requirements. Next, select the type of user you are. This could be a property manager or an owner, if you are self-managing. You'll need to enter your personal details, including your name, email address, and any other required information. Once done, click on the Register button. After registering, an activation email will be sent to the email address you provided. Please check your inbox, and if necessary, your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the activation link to confirm your email address and complete the registration process.
Once your email has been verified, your account will be successfully activated, and you'll be ready to log in and start using the system. Thank you for watching this tutorial.